The market is a battlefield. Every day, investors are searching for that next breakout opportunity. The biggest growth stocks are getting all the attention. I'm talking about companies quietly building massive momentum, and the market hasn't caught on yet. Today, I'm breaking down 4 growth stocks that could be poised for a significant move. Stick around, because the first one might surprise you. Starting with our list at number 4 is Arista Networks, ticker ANET. Now, you might think of Arista as just another networking company, but look closer. They're at the absolute forefront of the AI revolution, providing the critical infrastructure that powers massive data centers and AI training clusters. Think about it. Every AI model, every data crunch relies on high-speed, reliable networking. That's Arista's domain. Their recent unveiling of the 7060XE7 series, a portfolio of 1.6 terabit networking platforms, is a game-changer for AI infrastructure. These aren't just faster switches. They're comprehensive rack-scale systems designed for extreme density, power efficiency, and thermal management. They're reducing power consumption by up to 60% with their linear pluggable optics and delivering an astonishing 1.6 terabits per second across ports. This positions Arista perfectly to scale the AI fabrics needed for both liquid and hybrid-cooled environments. Arista isn't just competing, they're redefining the game, moving beyond high-performance switches to integrated rack-scale systems. Their EOS operating system and open network approach are already favored by giants like Microsoft and Meta, giving them a significant competitive advantage against legacy vendors. With AI networking revenue alone projected to hit $3.5 billion by 2026, Arista is tapping into a massive high-growth market. Their Q1 2026 performance exemplifies this, with revenue jumping 35.1% year-over-year to $2.71 billion, beating expectations. While supply chain constraints have slightly pressured gross margins, their operational efficiency remains strong, with consistent operating margins between 41% and 45%. They've also authorized a substantial $1.2 billion stock repurchase program, signaling management's confidence. Arista is more than a networking company. It's a foundational pillar of the AI future. Moving on, we have Shopify, ticker SHOP. In the ever-expanding world of e-commerce, Shopify isn't just a platform, it's the operating system for online businesses. While many focus on its core e-commerce capabilities, UBS highlights its underappreciated retail POS business as a significant long-term growth driver. This POS system, integrated seamlessly with Shopify's online ecosystem, is poised to capture a substantial portion of the gross merchandise volume compound annual growth rate, potentially contributing 300 to 500 basis points over the next decade. In a fragmented retail POS market lacking a clear leader, Shopify's differentiated offering provides a powerful competitive advantage. Shopify's recent Q1 2026 performance was nothing short of impressive. Revenue surged 34% year-over-year to $3.2 billion, while GMV surpassed $100 billion for the second consecutive quarter, growing 35%. This broad-based growth, spanning international markets and various sales channels, underscores the platform's global appeal. Merchant Solutions revenue grew 39%, and Subscription Solutions saw a healthy 21% increase. The company is also doubling down on artificial intelligence, embracing it as its native language. AI is being woven into every aspect of the platform, from product development and merchant tools to internal productivity. Initiatives like Sidekick and agentic commerce are not just buzzwords, they're creating tangible advantages and unlocking new market opportunities. With a significant $5 billion share repurchase program authorized, Shopify is demonstrating strong financial health and a commitment to shareholder value. While AI investments might increase expenses, the consistent profitability, strong free cash flow margins, and ongoing innovation through its editions cycles paint a picture of a company that is not only growing, but strategically evolving. The upcoming summer 2026 release and the critical Shopify Scripts sunset deadline on June 30th, 2026, further highlight the platform's dynamic nature and its continuous push for merchant success. At number 2, we have Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. Palantir is a name that often sparks debate, but its strategic positioning in big data analytics and artificial intelligence is undeniable. They are not just a software company. They build the foundational platforms that allow governments and enterprises to make sense of vast, complex datasets and drive critical, data-informed decisions. What's particularly exciting is Palantir's Artificial Intelligence Integration Platform, or AIP. This platform is enabling customers to extract unprecedented value from their data, and it's a key differentiator. Baird recently reiterated an outperform rating with a significant price target, downplaying concerns about competition from foundational model players like OpenAI and Anthropic. Their view is that while foundational models are important, Palantir's edge lies in its ability to harness AI for its clients, integrating it into real-world operations. The company's recent multi-year, multi-million-dollar partnership with McCarthy Building Companies to integrate AI across construction operations is a prime example of this. Beyond government contracts, Palantir is demonstrating impressive growth and margins in its U.S. commercial sector, which saw a substantial increase in customers in Q1 2024. This sector is projected to grow at least 45% annually, with full-year revenue guidance raised to over $661 million. Overall revenue for Q1 2024 reached $634 million, a 21% year-over-year increase, and the company achieved its sixth consecutive quarter of generally accepted accounting principles profitability. The U.S. Army's Titan program contract win further solidifies its position in defense. While valuation concerns sometimes arise, Palantir's focus on enterprise AI, coupled with strong governmental and commercial wins, places it at the epicenter of the evolving data analytics and AI landscape. Recent expansions through platforms like Google Cloud are also broadening its reach. And finally, at number 1, the growth stock poised to outperform, DoorDash, ticker DASH. While many investors are still focused on the hardware side of AI, Bank of America points out that internet stocks like DoorDash are well-positioned to shine once that AI phase matures. They see DoorDash as a key beneficiary when services built on AI infrastructure truly take off. DoorDash is more than just food delivery. It's a sophisticated logistics and technology platform that's rapidly expanding into grocery, convenience, and retail. This diversification is a critical growth engine. Their Q1 2026 performance illustrated this perfectly, with revenue accelerating to 33% year-over-year, reaching $4.04 billion, and adjusted EBITDA climbing to $754 million, showcasing a strong path to profitable growth. The company is also a leader in innovation, particularly with AI. Features like Ask DoorDash, an AI-powered chatbot for natural language ordering and photo searches, are enhancing the customer experience. Furthermore, their DashMart fulfillment services are helping retailers manage inventory and delivery, extending the platform's utility far beyond its initial restaurant focus. While the stock has seen some fluctuations and insider selling for tax purposes is routine, the fundamental outlook remains strong. Analysts largely maintain a buy rating with price targets suggesting significant upside potential, around $240 to $260. The Q1 2026 EPS of 42 cents beat estimates, and despite revenue slightly missing expectations, the overall growth trajectory is compelling. The company's substantial cash reserves and liquidity provide a solid foundation for continued expansion and innovation. All right, let's break down the numbers for these 4 growth powerhouses. First, Arista Networks. Trading at $169.80, it holds a significant market cap of $212 billion, reflecting its leadership in the AI infrastructure space. With revenues at $9.71 billion and a robust gross margin of 63.5%, Arista is a profitable machine. Its EPS stands at $2.96, and importantly, its upside potential is noted at 7.6%. While it doesn't offer a dividend, its focus is clearly on reinvesting for growth and capturing the massive AI networking market. Next, Shopify. Currently at $111.79, its market cap is $146.2 billion. Shopify brings in substantial revenue, clocking in at $12.36 billion, with a gross margin of 48.0%. Its EPS is $1.02, and the upside potential is quite attractive at 24.1%. Like Arista, Shopify is a growth-focused company, foregoing dividends to fuel its expansion in the e-commerce and AI solution space. Then we have Palantir Technologies. At $134.71, it sports the largest market cap on our list at $313.5 billion. highlighting its significant market valuation and investor confidence. Its revenue of $5.22 billion is supported by an exceptional gross margin of 84.1%, showcasing incredible operational efficiency. With an EPS of 96 cents and a projected upside of 30%, Palantir's AI and data analytics capabilities are clearly commanding a premium. Finally, DoorDash. Trading at $167.69, it has a market cap of $73.24 billion. DoorDash generates an impressive $14.72 billion in revenue with a gross margin of 51.8%. Its EPS is $2.15, and its upside potential is the highest we've seen today at 27.5%. DoorDash is demonstrating a clear path to profitable growth, leveraging its extensive logistics network and expanding service offerings. Each of these companies represents a compelling growth narrative, but they approach it with different financial profiles and market positions. Which of these growth stocks are you most excited about, and why? Are you already invested in any of them? Let us know your thoughts, your favorite picks, and your predictions in the comments section below. And for more actionable investment ideas, don't miss our video on 5 hidden penny stocks with massive upside potential.